All right, you see how I've got this set up. I got 1 through 7, and I've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And I've got this as being abbreviated here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, this Gregorian calendar has really, when you look at a calendar, it has actually replaced, now listen to this, it has actually replaced Sunday, or the first day, with the word Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So these names have taken places of days. But we do understand it. Just like July here, or excuse me, June, we understand that June the 1st fell on Wednesday. Fell on Wednesday here, June the 1st of 2011. But I've got it set up as from creation, 1 through 7. Now, this is a 7-day cycle. In other words, 7 24-hour days, which adds up to 168 hours. Figure it up and you'll see. Let's say that we're going back to creation, and this is the first 6 working days in creation. But we've got them set up under Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday. Because the Lunar Sabbath people uses a Gregorian calendar that they're against. But remember, the cycles of a Gregorian calendar and a Julian calendar did not create those cycles. Israel was given those cycles. It's the only cycles that will work. The Lunar Sabbath people say that if you ever lose your Sabbath, how would you catch up with it? Well, the Lunar Sabbath cycle is not the solution to it. It creates more of a problem. And it's really created them a problem. And this is why they use a Gregorian calendar, but we're going to make it a little easier here. I want you to look at something here. I got 1 through 7. This is in a Gregorian calendar form. How can you take and put 8 days into a Gregorian calendar? You cannot. I want you to look at this real close because we're fixing to try that here in just a minute. How can you take 8 days and put it into a Gregorian calendar? You can't, because the Gregorian calendar is short by 24 hours. And an 8-day cycle is 24 hours longer. So how can you do that? You cannot. You cannot put, let's just say this. Let's say that the new moon come in on Sunday. Then they're going to have to take and put, the new moon would start on day 1. Then they're going to have to put an 8-day cycle, because you can't put 8 days in here. Let me show you something here about a calendar. If you have a May 2011 calendar, you're going to find that May 2011 here, which was last month, it's amazing, but day 1 fell on what we call Sunday, using Gregorian calendar. And then day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you look at a May calendar of 2011, then you have day 1 falling on Sunday. And it is set up the same way. Look at your calendar. Look at your 2011 May calendar, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, if this is a calendar that's set up in May, let's say, and let's just say the new moon come in on a Sunday. It wouldn't matter if the new moon come in here for the Gregorian, on the Gregorian calendar. Ever what day the new moon comes in, that's the day they're going to keep all their Sabbaths. But this is what's deceiving about this. I want to show you something here. Look at this in an 8-day. Matter of fact, what is going to start if this falls, day 1, let's say, of the month, falls on a Sunday, day 1 did. Let's just say as if day 1, and it did in Sunday, but let's just say the new moon happened to fall. And I don't think it did, but let's just say if it did. If it would have fell in May of 2011, then you would have a new moon here. But still, the Sabbath's always going to be on what you would call Saturday using the Gregorian calendar, regardless of the dates. But it's just amazing how 2011 May calendar, the calendar was set up this way. So then, what day would start the second week off in using the Gregorian calendar? Well, sure, it would have to be the 8th day. Let's put it up there.